Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your iPhone 16 Pro runs the latest iOS, Jio account details are ready, and Wi-Fi is stable. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. You will see Add eSIM, tap it now. This first step starts the QR or carrier activation flow, so make sure you have Jio's QR or activation code available. Acting quickly prevents timeouts, and keeping the phone charged avoids interruptions during provisioning. Now you scan the QR code Jio sent or choose manual input if needed. You'll enter SMDP Plus and activation code when prompted. This maps the carrier profile to your eSIM. Once the profile downloads, tap Continue to assign labels like Primary or Business. This helps with iMessage and FaceTime routing. Make sure cellular data and voice settings reflect your preference, and check roaming options if you travel. These steps complete the carrier profile installation on the eSIM. Finish by activating the line. Toggle the new plan on and, if required, restart the iPhone. This forces network registration. Then test a call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm data. If it doesn't register, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and try again. As a key troubleshooting tip, rescan the QR or use manual SMDP Plus entry. If problems persist, contact Jio support and be ready to reset network settings. That resolves most activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.